Hi guys, welcome to this for sale video tour of one of my cars, Jaguar XJ6 2005 model 3.0, and just want to show you around. It's up for sale now. Anybody interested? Still a powerful car and clean. Every part of it is still tip-top. Just gonna turn on the engine right now and just show you the interior first. Sorry, my hands might be shaking a little bit, but I think it should be enough for this video. And one of the good things about this car is the fact that it's been optimized powerfully for anyone's pleasure. As you can see right here, we've got the tire pressure monitoring system. Tells you the temperature of the car and the gauge of the temperature of the tires and the gauge. And right here we've got a DVR system that record the interior of the car, the front of the car, and also the reverse. There's a reverse camera, and right underneath here you've got a switch. And let's say I'm just gonna put this camera up, turn on the switch, and there you go. You can see your rear view. You've got a multi-socket system here, 4-socket system with USB plug-in. You've got ample storage. Put some light here. I mean, if you're used to Jaguar, think this shouldn't be new. You've got the manual here. We're going to go through the manual later on. We're going to go to the rear of the car, and on top of that is just 65,500 miles for the mileage. As you can see, the reverse camera is on right now. Still in a perfect condition. Gonna bring up the trunk, open up the trunk. Sorry, this is an uncut video. And on top of this, you've got a brand new battery. You can see the terminal, just took this off. So you're getting almost more or less like a brand new car, because just been serviced. Everything is working perfectly. This is just the old battery, just for you to know, the old battery. This is not going with it. And we've got spare tire. I'm gonna pause this part. Okay, here's what I did when I paused it. I took the old battery out, and I just want to show you the brand new battery. And you've got spare tire as well, and it is perfectly clean and in a very good condition. So you've got nothing to be afraid of. If you're watching this video, or you're watching some of the pictures from MartFame.com, be rest assured that that is my website. I built it, I developed it, I designed it, and you've got nothing to be afraid of. I've got several cars, and I just want to show you. Here's one of my cars, and I've got another one down the road there. Not this one you're looking at, not the Subaru, sorry. Really clean car. I think it's really meant for you. If you want it, just give me a shout out or write to me through my website. And if you like, you can also sign up on my website. It's really very good for socializing and selling products as well. And you've got the sensors. Show you. Here's the sensor that measures the temperature and the gauge of the tires. We've got it on all the tires. So give me a shout out. You've got my numbers and my email. Last pan through. Just want to make it a 5-minute video for you guys. And it's up for viewing. Just give me a shout out, and if you want to view, I'm all ready for you guys.